2009 Harley Sportster, and these are 28-liter Baelor medium saddlebags by Viking Bags. I got hit by somebody in Indianapolis, so the bags that were on the bike when I bought it, they didn't make anymore, so this is the new updated style. They have a lever that you flip at the back to open up the bag. It flips open like this, and this is everything that I have packed for the trip. A pair of gloves, an extra pair of gloves. I have microfiber towel for cleaning. Got a hoodie. Got a bottle of cleaner here. Chemical Guys Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. Got a bottle of water. Got an air pump, just in case, you never know. And this also comes with bracket keys, which lock the bracket. You can make sure that nobody can take the bags off because they are removable. And these are the bag keys. Also, in the removable pocket on the side, I got my wallet. And just to simulate, got a couple of pairs of car keys that can go in there as well. This whole thing is Velcro and can come off. My old bags were not detachable, they were just attached to the frame. These new bags have a bracket here that they're quick disconnects, so you can slide this down and the whole bag just lifts right off. And this is how easy it is to put them back on. You just gotta line each bracket up and slides into place. It's on there. Flip it up, open it up, load it back up. You're ready to go. Now I'm gonna load it back up. Air pump, bottle of water, bottle of cleaner, room for a hoodie, cleaning rag, a couple pairs of gloves. Drop my wallet in here. Should have done that first time. Yeah, let me redo that.
Go ahead.
Okay. Put my wallet in here. Boxes of keys. Those can slide right in there. Car keys if you want to bring them. Throw a hoodie in there in case it gets cold. Couple extra sets of gloves. And a cleaning rag. All ready to go.